So I got the surveyor's tripod basically for free. It came with a bunch of other stuff I bought in like a job lot. And I thought, well, actually, it'd be good for using as just as a tripod for a camera. It's got this massive thread in it. It's designed for a laser or a reflector for the lasers for surveying. Got the stick as well. So I thought, well, maybe there's an adapter. There are, but they're very expensive. If they're a big plate that goes over here and that screws into it and has a normal tripod thread, I'm going to make something. So I'm going to start out. I have to identify this. I read that they might be 5/8 by 11 TPI threads per inch. So let's have a quick check. I've got my, this is 11G, 11 gauge. Don't know, it's cheap TPI. It fits. So that's 11 TPI. So I'm going to go with, that's a 5/8 by 11. So I'm going to get an adapter. You can get very cheaply a little adapter that just threads on there. That's no use because it won't sit. Whatever you screw on will just be in this hole. So I'm going to make a little plate, goes over here with a hole in it. That'll come up through the hole. And then I'll use the thing that screws on to lock it still onto the plate, and then it'll have a normal thread adapter. And then I'll have a super stable tripod I can use whenever I need it, because I normally use a camera tripod. But why not? It's free. One scrappy old bit of aluminium. Need to cut the corners off. Gonna go over there. I think that's the right size. And I'm just gonna cut the corners off because otherwise it's gonna have sharp edges. 16mm hole drilled far too quickly with no pilot hole, so it's not actually round. But I was just smashing the hole through it. I happened to have a 16mm drill bit in it because I was drilling out the centre of a winch drum. And it was about the right size. So it should be nice and simple. Shove that over there. Old bit of scrap. And then just screw the adapter on. Neat. I'll try and put a link to that adapter that I bought off, I think it was off AliExpress. I'll try and put a link in the description in case anyone else wants to do that. And then that's basically it. The only other problem is the strap was broke. I've shoved another one around it, but what I'm going to do is try and get a repair buckle, because you can buy these buckles that have got like a pin that removes from there. So you just break this one off and then you put the other one on, because you can't just rethread it because it's stitched. I think if they're only a couple of quid, I'll do that. Yeah, then that'll be a more convenient strap to go round. I think it goes round this bit, this smooth bit. So that'd be quite good if I can do that, but this one's broken too. So see if I can get one of them. All you have to do is measure up the width of your webbing. And this is 25mm webbing. I'll look for a 25mm repair clip. There's also a couple of screws missing. Let's work out what thread they are. I'm going to say that that looks like M5, probably. Let's have a look. That's wonky. Where's that wonky? They're all loose? Yeah, they're all loose. Okay, we'll tighten them all and I'll find a missing one. Let's have a look. I'm right next to the M5 drawer. Let's see if we've got a crosshead in there. It does need a spring washer on it. Cool. Right, I'm going to repair the strap on this, so keep the legs together. I'm going to use one of these. I've cut the cable ties off of it. I've used these a couple of times. They're quite good because the way they work is, this was obviously stitched on when it was made, and these come with a removable sort of screw to fit it in there. And you can get them with a variety of other sides. You can get them with a screw bar or whatever. This one looks like it had the remnants of a adjustable strap, so I bought the adjustable version. I'm fully aware these aren't that cheap. I say not cheap, they're about £7 a buckle. They are good. But I've probably spent more just in that and the little thing to get this to be useful than I could have just bought a cheap tripod on Facebook. But let's not worry about that. Let's not worry about that. It's not the point. Oh, it's brittle. It's right broke, isn't it? And this side as well, this buckle piece. No, it's gone. Whatever. Alright, about the right side screwdriver? Yep. Right, this was a 25mm webbing. So I bought a 25mm buckle. Get them on eBay, I think. That's where I bought my last couple from. Right, so the legs kind of tessellate together, and then we need to put this through, and I'm crap at buckling these. Sharp bit, I think it's that way. Gonna go through? Ah. Okay. Oh, got it. Well, I've got 50% of it now, but I get it through there. There we go. Ta-da! And all it needs is a mount on there. It's in somewhere useful. Now I'm going to go with this one, which I have, which is spare. The magnet one. If you've got to be honest, in a garage collects a lot of crap. Here we go. There's my main phone. I thought that was is that not a magnet? It is a magnet, it's just pathetically weak. Let's see if the phone that I'm filming it on will fit. It does. It's a cheap rubbish mount, but it'll do. Means I can do things like this, just pop it on there, take it off when I need it. Well, not bad. I'll probably use it as a stationary one. I mean, it's so stout, it could probably live outside. And if I left a magnet on it, when I'm driving a vehicle out and I want to film it, just pop it on this one. There we go, simple tripod. It's not very good for in here because it will splay right out. But they come right up flat. There's nothing to stop them. So I'd either have to put something between them to stop that, or realistically just use it for what it's intended for. Outside on the grass, where I could dig the feet in. If you ever come across one, you could use it for a camera, even though the thread's different. There you go, little mini project. Bit of alley. 3 odd quid bracket from AliExpress. And unfortunately like a £7 buckle, which I didn't need, but look. Now I've got that and it stays together. I like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. Don't forget, subscribe. and click the like button. Do that now.